Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Princess Odette on Dress to Impress. Removing everything except for the hair, I just used this hair in this color, DB9C3C. No adjustments made, and then this bangs in the same color. Position the Y at 0.49, rotate the X to 0.45, the Y at 0.56, and scale it to 0.53. Select this hair in half front and no flowers in the same color and no adjustments made on that one. For the outfit, I did use a VIP item, so I'm just going to say it right now. And then I use these sleeves in this color, 407F66, and this too in white. I think I might do light silk here, and then for the cuffs and trims, I use this color, same as the hair. Then for the outfit itself, I used this top here from VIP in the no bows in white in silk, and then silk in white, and then I used the same in silk as well, and then the rest in all white. And then for the skirt, I did use this item in the skirt only, no chains, no glitter. And then color the first one white in silk, and then the rest silk in that gold color. It is a floor length skirt, but since we can't really make it like that, I'm just going to use these shoes in gold. And then I'm going to use this skirt in supports pattern in white in silk. I wish I could use this, but it's just going to interfere with the gold. As you can see, it's just going to cover it. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.